Something Lexus fans have actually been desiring from the brand name is a real 3-row SUV, as well as the automaker has actually revealed that those who have been asking for it will get their dream. For the 2024 design year, Lexus is including in its schedule the TX, an SUV that is larger than the RXL and developed to interest the American market. Overall, the TX is supposed to be based upon the upcoming Toyota Grand Highlander. This implies that there will be seating for up to 8 with the optional second row bench seats, and the third row will certainly be designed extra comfortably than Lexus's present RXL. We don't have the exact measurements for the 2024 TX, however it was made to be larger than the RXL to ensure that consumers would not have to go with a body-on-frame GX or LX SUV if they really did not wish to. According to John Iacono, a chairman of the Lexus National Supplier Advisory Council, the brand hopes that this will certainly attract a more youthful clients, such as moms and dads in their 40s as well as 50s with children. Lexus has recently launched an intro photo of the upcoming TX, which showcases the back-end account of the auto. In this photo, we can see a floating roofing system, the top of what seems a large wheel well, and also part of the back taillight, which is straight throughout on top as well as curves down near the bottom. The total form of the automobile looks rather elongated, which simply confirms what Lexus has been claiming about the TX being larger than the RXL. The engine specs are presently unknown, yet Toyota, Lexus's moms and dad business, has actually been going the means of electrification. Considered that, it is very likely that the TX will a minimum of have hybrid powertrain choices, though whether those choices are PHEV, EV, or BEV is any individual's guess. As constantly, safety and also technology are functions that cannot be ignored when it concerns new vehicles. Lexus is apparently equipping the TX with a semi-automated driving system for hands-free driving, a digital key that permits the consumer's mobile phone to act as the key for the automobile, and remote auto parking that makes it possible for the motorist to park and also unpark from outside of the automobile by utilizing their smartphone.